It's Learning Outdoors with Izzy and Ivy. First, bucket time. Bucket time. Next, bubbles. Bubbles. And last, work. Ooh, bucket. Bucket. Bucket time. Ooh, I've got something in my bucket. In my bucket. In my bucket. I've got something in my bucket. I wonder what it is. Let's see what bucket has in it today. Ooh, hello. Ooh, he's got legs and arms, a hat. What's your name? Tim. His name is Tim. Tim, you sit there today. You can watch. Shall we see what bucket has in it next? Oh, wow, Tim, it's a tractor. Wow, the wheels. Oh, look at it. They go round and round. Look, it moves. Wow, tractor moves. Where's the driver? Tim, do you think you can fit in the tractor? No, not for Tim. Let's look in bucket. Oh, bucket, what have you got? A farmer. A farmer. His head moves. Ooh, farmer in the tractor. Wow. And on that farm he had some animals. E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Wow. The tractor has got a farmer in it. The farmer is in the tractor. Shall we see what bucket has next? Ooh, buckets. Ooh. Oink, 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 oink. It's a pig. A pink pig. Oh, pig. Oh, pig. Do you go on here? You do. Pig. Bucket. What's next? Moo. Moo. A cow. The cow is mooing. Bucket, what's next? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a chicken. A chicken. Chick, 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 chicken. Are you going to sit in here? Oh, yes. Chicken is riding in the tractor. Let's see what's next. Buckets. Ooh, you've got a sheep. A sheep. The Sheep is in the tractor. Wow. Tim, we've finished with the tractor. Bye-bye, tractor. Bucket, what's next? Oh, it's a puzzle. Taking out, putting back in. Chick, pig, cow, donkey, rabbit. Wow. Bye-bye, puzzle. Finished. Bucket. What's next? Ah, it's bubbles. Bucket time. Finished. Next, bubbles. Bubbles. Ooh. Wow. Bubbles. Bubbles. Finished. Bubbles. Finished. Last.